NCERT 9th class, chapter number 2, Polynomials. In this chapter, we will first discuss the introduction part of it, basics of this, and then we'll do exercise 2.1. So let us suppose x square plus 3x, this is a algebraic expression. Why it is called? This is a algebraic expression. Why it is an algebraic expression? Because there is a sign of plus. Any terms which are joined by plus, minus, multiplication, division, this is called algebra. So expression is called algebraic expression. Now, suppose I am writing x square plus 3x plus 7, and I am writing x square plus 3x to the power minus 2 plus 7. Now here these are the polynomials in the one variable only. There x is the only variable. Here also x is the only variable. Here 7 I can write x to the power 0, x to the power 0, because why I have written like this? Because x to the power 0 is always 1. So 7 means 7 into 1, and at the place of 1 I am writing x to the power 0. So there is a one variable in both these expressions. These expressions will be called polynomial if the exponent of variable 2 is the exponent of this x, 1 is the exponent of this x, and 0 is the exponent of this x. Here also x square 2 is the exponent, minus 2 the exponent of x, and 0 is the exponent of x. If these exponents are whole numbers, then these are called polynomials. Whole number are what? Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, or any number like this. Positive number and 0. These are called whole numbers. If the exponents of the variable are from these numbers, then we called this as a polynomial. Now in this case, the exponent of the variable is minus. Minus is minus 2. Minus 2 is not in these numbers. Therefore, this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. So the condition for any expression to become polynomial, the exponent, the power of variable should be in whole numbers. Clear? So expression becomes a polynomial when the powers of the variable are whole numbers. Then there is a specific type of polynomials. 3x, this is only one term. The number joined by the plus minus things, these are called terms. This is one term, second term, third term. So polynomial, this is a polynomial because the exponent of x is 1, which is a whole number. So this type of polynomial is called linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. And if I write x to the power 2, this is again a polynomial, and this is called, and the exponent of the x is 2, so this is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomials. polynomial. And if I write the power 3, x to the power 3 plus 5x, now the maximum power is 3, so it has a special name which is called cubic polynomials. ठीक. Now linear equation, we know there should be only one power of the variable, and quadratic, the power of the variable should be 2, and cubic, the power of the variable should be 3. These are called polynomials. They all are polynomials but has a specific name. Now the degree of a polynomial. Suppose I am writing a polynomial like 3x plus 7. The maximum power of this polynomial is 1. Maximum power of the variable of this polynomial is 1. So this type is, then we call the degree of this polynomial is 1. Degree is 1. Suppose I am writing 3x square plus 7x to the power 5. These are the polynomials, and the maximum power of all the terms, maximum power out of all the term is 5. So the degree of this polynomial is 5. Suppose if I write x cube plus 3x square, here the maximum power in the expression, suppose I am writing like this, maximum power of the variable, ये वेरिएबल है, इसकी पावर 3, वेरिएबल पावर 2, वेरिएबल पावर 1. We count the maximum power. Maximum power is 3. So degree is 3. Here also we have counted the maximum power. This is 5, this is 2. So degree is 5. Here also we have counted the maximum power, because 7 can be written 7x to the power 0, 0 and 1. Maximum out of 0, 1 is 1. So this is the degree. Now after this, understanding the degree, there is another type called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial, for example, 3. This is a polynomial. Why it is polynomial? Because it can be written 3x to the power 0. Now this is a whole number, 0 is a whole number. So it is a polynomial. This, suppose I am writing say minus 5, which is equal to minus 5x to the power 0. Again a polynomial, because the variable exponent of the variable is 0, which is a whole number. Therefore this is a polynomial, but this type of polynomial, they are called constant polynomial. Constant polynomials. So these are the basic concepts that we must know. And what is the degree of this polynomial? Degree of this polynomial is, degree of this is 0, because 3 is equal to 3x to the power 0. So the maximum power is 0. So degree is 0. So degree we must understand. One is the degree of linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, and cubic polynomial. Degree 3. Constant polynomial we have discussed. Now one more thing is number of bifurcation in the terms of number of equations. For example, I am writing 5x to the power 2. This has only one term. One term is there. This is called monomial. Monomial. A special name given to the polynomial having one term. Suppose I write x square plus 7x. Now it has two terms. Two terms, and this is called binomial. binomial. Suppose it contains 3 terms, 1 term, 2 term, 3 terms. 3 terms are there, and this is called trinomial. So bifurcation in terms of number of terms and bifurcation in terms of the degree of the polynomial. And degree we have discussed the constant polynomial also. This is the basic information required for doing this exercise 2.1. Now we'll start exercise 2.1. Now, this is exercise 2.1, question number 1. Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable? Which are not? State the reason for giving your answer. First is this: 4x square minus 3x plus 7. This is a polynomial. 4x square minus 3x plus 7 is a polynomial because the power of the variable, the exponent of the variable, the power of the variable is in whole numbers. So therefore this is a polynomial. Second is y square plus under root 2. This is also a polynomial because the power of the variable in this case is 2, which is a whole number. So it is a polynomial. Now third is 3 under root t plus t under root 2. Whether it is a polynomial or not. This is not a polynomial. Not polynomial. Reason: 3 means under root t means t to the power 1 by 2, and this is not a whole number. Not a whole number. This is not a whole number. Therefore, this is not a polynomial. We have to consider the power of variables only. Variable की power check करनी है अपने. Now, fourth part is y plus 2 over y. This is equal to y plus 2 into y to the power minus 1. When it is dividing, when it goes up, its power become minus 1. Here it is 1. When it go up, it will be minus 1. This is law of exponents. So now this power becomes minus. So it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. And lastly, x to the power 10 plus y3 plus 50 t to the power 50. So this is a variable, this is a variable, this is a variable. So it is a polynomial because the power of power of the variable are whole numbers. So this is the first question. Question number 2. Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. What is the coefficient of x square over here? 1. Because when multiplied with the number, value remains the same. What is the coefficient of this? Coefficient of this is coefficient of x square is minus 1. Minus x square means minus 1 multiplied by x square. So the coefficient becomes minus 1. Here the coefficient of x square is pi by 2. We have to consider the coefficient of x square only. And what is the coefficient of x square? The coefficient of, let us write under root 2x minus 1 as under root 2x minus 1 plus 0 into x square. Because this is 0. It doesn't make any difference in this. This is 0 only. So now the the coefficient of x square is 0. Coefficient of x square in this because I have written x square like this is equal to 0. So this is how we do question number 2. Question number 3. Write the degree of each of the following. What is the degree of this expression? Maximum power is maximum exponent of the variable is 3, 2, 1. Maximum is 3. So the degree of this polynomial is 3. Now in this case, what is the maximum power? 2. So degree is 2. Degree is equal to 2. Now let us take this one. 5t minus under root 7. What is the exponent of t? It is 1. When it is not written, it always means 1. So the maximum power of the variable is 1. So degree is 1. Now come this question. This 3 can be written as 3 into x to the power 0. 3 into x to the power 0. 3 can be written like this because the power of x 0 makes it 1. So the degree of this is 0. Degree of this is 0. So the maximum power in the expression we must see, that becomes the degree. Give an example of each of binomial of degree 35 and monomial of degree 100. First we'll write binomial of degree 35. So binomial of degree 35 can be 5x to the power 35 plus 7x. Maximum power is 35 and this is a binomial. So this is one example of binomial of degree 35. Monomial of degree 100, x to the power 100. This is a monomial, only one term. Its degree is 100 because the exponent is 100. So degree is, this is monomial. Monomial of degree 100. This is, you can give any example. There can be thousands of examples like this. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, this is a question number 5. Classify the following as quadratic, linear, quadratic or cubic. We know the linear is where the degree is 1, quadratic is where the degree is 2, cubic is where the degree is 3. So here, what is the degree of this? Degree 2. Degree 2. So it is, first part mein degree 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial. Second, x minus x cube. The maximum power is 3. So the maximum power 3, it is a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. And third, y plus y square plus 4. Maximum power is, here power is 1, here 2, here it is y to the power 0. So maximum is 2. So it is called quadratic. Then fourth part, 1 plus x. The maximum power is 1. So it is a linear polynomial. Then sixth is 3t. The maximum power is 1, so it is a linear. And sixth part is r square. R is the variable, power is 2. Power 2, so it is binomial. Power 2, not binomial, it is a quadratic. And the seventh part is 7x to the power 3. So the maximum power is 3, therefore it is cubic polynomial. So this is all about this exercise.